Hey everybody, how is it going? All right, today I'm going to show you how to check your tire pressure. All right, I'm going to try to keep it under 2 minutes. I know I like to blab a lot, but let's make this a quick one. Okay, here we go. First thing you got to do is grab your handy dandy tire pressure gauge. All right, I like these old school ones, these real simple ones here. Okay, you can pick these up at any kind of automotive parts store or department store. They're very simple to use and they kind of last forever. Right, so what you're going to do is take your tire pressure gauge, make sure that the gauge part, the measuring part's like all the way in, right? Then you're going to get out of the car and you're going to look inside your door jamb here. Every car's door jamb has the pressure listed for the tires. And for mine, it's showing 35 PSI for front and for rear, okay? It says cold tire pressure. It's best to check your tire pressure when the tires are cold, so before you start driving any long distances. So now I know I'm looking for 35. I'm going to take my gauge, I'm going to go to a tire, okay? You're going to take off the valve stem cover. You're just going to unscrew it and put it right down on the ground in front of the tire so you don't lose it. Make sure the gauge is ready to go, and you're simply going to push the gauge into the valve stem firmly until you hear this sound. Ready? Okay, once you hear that sound, you can take a look and see. I don't know if you can see, but mine's at like 37 PSI, so it's a little high, but not bad. I'm gonna check one more time. Ready? I'm gonna push the gauge back in, firmly push it onto the stem. Ready? You hear that noise, and there you go. I like to do 2 readings just to get an accurate measure. Yeah, we're looking at 37 PSI for these tires. That's good enough. And that is how you check your tire pressure. Just make sure you put the valve stem cover on after you're done. That's pretty much it. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Take care.